Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to unarchive a chat in Telegram on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Step 2. Go to the chat you want to unarchive from the Archive Chats section, located at the top of the chat list. Step 3. Right-click on the chat you wish to unarchive. Step 4. From the options that appear, choose Unarchive. By following these simple steps, you can easily unarchive a chat in Telegram on your PC. Unarchiving a chat allows you to bring back important conversations that you have previously archived. Archiving chats can be a great way to declutter your chat list while still retaining access to those conversations when needed. Unarchiving a chat will restore it to its original place in your chat list, making it easily accessible once again. Make sure to utilize this feature to stay organized and manage your chats effectively in Telegram on your PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and tips.